In this video, let me show you how to fix Snapchat camera not working. In this situation, the first thing that you can do is try to force quit the application and then restart the app. So what you can do is tap and hold the app of Snapchat, head over to the eye icon. Once you're inside of this page, you'll see the option called force stop. You can just tap on it and then tap on OK. As soon as you do that, make sure you clear the Snapchat app from the recent list as well and try to see if this fixes the issue. The other thing that you can do is look for any new updates available. This step did not work for you. So head over to the Play Store or the App Store. Search for Snapchat, and if you do see new updates available, you can tap on the update button. Now, if none of these solutions work out for you, what you'll also need to make sure is that the Snapchat has access to your phone's camera. So to ensure that, you'll need to again tap and hold the app of Snapchat. Head over to this eye icon, head over to permissions, and right here make sure that camera is set to allow. Also, you can try to uninstall the Snapchat app from your phone and then again re-download it. By following these few steps, you should be able to fix the Snapchat camera not opening error.